I don't know about you, but it's hard for me to spend my money on a regular body scrub. Why? When I can just make it? Why? Why am I gonna do that? She's lying. Welcome back to my channel. I'm Kayla Black and welcome to my channel where I talk about self-care, all things self-care and skincare. I mean, skincare is a part of self-care, so yeah. So yeah, in this week's video, I'm gonna be sharing my DIY body scrub, which is bomb.com, like to the point where I don't want to buy no more other body scrub, like it's that good. Just kidding, I'll be spending my money on everything. Like, oh my god, I'm sweating. But yeah, like, I really love it. My skin is feeling super soft and super good after I use this body scrub, and I just want to share it with y'all because you're my family and I need to tell you what's up, you know? So like, yeah, so let's hop right into the video. Okay, so first things first, I'm doing an exfoliation video, a scrub video, so obviously I need to tell you about exfoliation. So cue the video. Alright, so now that you're well versed, educated in this topic of exfoliation, and you've seen like the recommendations and all of that, like I'm gonna show you how I make mine. So yeah, this is how it looks. So now I'm gonna show you how I make this scrub and you will thank me later. Enjoy! this section of the video, you can see where I am literally slabbing on this product, circular motions, round and round, to get the dead skin cells off. Yeah, so this is the motion that you use to get the skin looking popping and glowing. Yeah. That's it for my video today. I really hope you enjoyed it. Truly, like, please try this body scrub and you will never regret it. You know that Kale put you on. Yeah. So yeah, I really hope you try it. Like, if you try it, just comment down below, tell me how you feel, and you don't feel like a goddess, you know, smooth skin and everything. Yeah. Ooh, I just rhymed. Smooth skin and everything. Smooth skin and everything. Everything. Anyways, enough of my madness. Like, share, subscribe to my channel if you want more like content like this, and obviously you know the rule. If you don't like me, don't subscribe, but if you like me, subscribe. Yeah, so, and watch my videos them, see if you like me, watch a couple of them, and then if you don't like me, it's okay, trust me. Somebody out there, you will find a tribe, trust me. But if you like me, just join the